At a company sales meeting, an executive severely reprimanded his employees for their poor sales performance. The poor performance and excuses you've shown so far are enough. If you can't, there are plenty of people who will sell our products. Even now, there is a line of people who want to join our organization whenever they have a chance. The executive then asked a new employee who was a footballer to confirm his words. What do they do when a soccer team doesn't perform well in a game? They replace the players, right? After a while, the new employee opened his mouth. If there's a problem with the whole team, they usually replace the coach. The executive in this story is typical of a bad leader who passes all the faults onto his subordinates and environmental issues. Leaders should be able to take it as their own fault and take responsibility, even if it's the fault of their subordinates. Leaders should never forget that it is their role to take responsibility for all the problems in the organization.